Hi everyone. So today is going to be another experiment. I was on the board in my Facebook group, and there's a guy that uses like a, what did he call it, a Hypershift color to do his galaxy pores in his cabochons. And I thought, now that looks so stunning in those cabochons. So I thought, I wonder if I could make a don't laugh, make a bloom out of it and see what it looks with the black background. So that's what we're going to do today. If it doesn't come out, it doesn't come out. But at least we tried. I've coated the corners of those with the same powder on both. I think it'll come out okay. It's like a mica powder, so I'm not sure whether it will spread like a bloom or not. I'm not going to use any white in this, so if I do a black background, I'm hoping that something shows through it. So let's give it a go. Resin running at 34. Four. Nothing too fancy. Let me just okay. Is there something there? Oh God, the horses are going crazy outside. I don't know why. All right, so maybe we'll do a couple of round. See if they spread. Because they definitely will be pulled in, I think. My daughter's got like 7 horses. think we'll just leave it at that. Okay. Oh, they look as though they're blooming. Whether they do or not, I don't know. So we'll call this the ghost bloom. Ghost bloom. That'll help. Alright, we'll see you for the unmoulding. Okay, let's have a look. How our ghost blooms have come out. Okay, that's one. These are gorgeous, gorgeous molds. Okay, let's have a look. So that looks nice. A little bit of overflow. Oh wow, that's gorgeous. That came out beautiful. So that's one. I'll take some more pictures tomorrow morning, but let's have a look at this one. So the sides are beautiful. So I use the same powder stuff for the sides and the top. And wow, look at that. Has to be in the daylight. It's getting dark now, so yeah, it did make a ghost bloom. And then I took a small amount that was left over and I made a bloom, but I also used white in that one, using the same as this. So let's have a look at this one. This is just a sample one I did. Okay, ready? Oh my goodness me. Look at that. Oh, that is so beautiful. Look at the shift, the Hypershift colors in there. My goodness. So yeah, we can use it to make a bloom. Would look nice with the white, I think, if I added white in there. But I wanted to see how it would do by itself. Look at the color, the shift. of the colors. So I'll take some pictures, I'll put them up, and we'll see you soon. Thank you for watching my experiment on the Hypershift colors. I think they bloomed beautifully, but I think if I added a little bit of white, I think it would have really popped. But hey, we were doing just using the color shift to see how we'd go, and I think it came out absolutely gorgeous. Look at that, beautiful. So I'll take some pictures, put it up for you in the morning, and thank you very much for watching. Take care, everyone.